We normally walk every evening after dinner. This day wasn't any different. We went walking. I did hear something like, tires on the road, this screeching noise. We were ran over by a car. I was on the ground and I saw my wife flying through the air, feet passing me, and hearing her asking me, was I all right? And her telling me that she loved me, which was incredible, to say the least. My wife, she obtained minor injuries, thank God.
In Mr. Davis's case, the impact of the collision with the car had created a dissection in his carotid artery, and he had no blood flow to the right side of his brain. Fortunately, the fire and rescue team were able to get him to the Delray Medical Center, Level 1 Trauma Center, ER, quickly. Every second, every minute that his brain was without blood flow could result in permanent neurologic damage and even death.
So a doctor came to my bed, and it was Dr. Ricardo. And I said to him, I've been with my husband 30 years. And he said, well, don't worry, you're gonna be with him another 30.
We were able to get him into the operating room quickly. We were able to make a little incision in the neck and open up his carotid artery, remove all the clot that was in there, and then repair the tear, the dissection that he had, and then restore blood flow to his brain in a matter of minutes in order to prevent permanent damage. Shortly after surgery, he was able to move the left side of his body and his left arm.
Unbelievable care. My God, if I could give each person I encountered here $1 million, I would. It was just that good and that great.
Oh, amazing people. I can't tell you enough.
Understanding the operation that I had to go through, the blockage of blood going to my brain, puts everything in perspective, It just gives it a new perspective, if you will, about life and family, and just being grateful for each day, so.
In my opinion, Mr. Davis was very fortunate to come to a center such as Delray Medical Center, where we have a very sophisticated, high-level interdisciplinary network to deliver high-level care to our patients. And again, this was a coordination of multiple disciplines across the hospital, emergency room, the trauma surgical team, radiology, anesthesia, and the vascular team. And we also have a very comprehensive, robust vascular surgery program that does both open surgical procedures and endovascular procedures. And the technology that we have in the hybrid operating room and the resources that we have available to us really allowed us to have the full armamentarium of tools to be able to treat him in the most expedient, successful way.
My life meant that much to him that he took time out of his day, and he came and saved mine. It's absolutely the best hospital I've ever been in. A level of care that I haven't experienced in my life anywhere. I get emotional just talking about it.
They saved your life.
Because, they really did. They saved my life. And that's why I would recommend Delray Medical Center to my family, friends, neighbors.
We decide no more walking, so we're going biking.
Yeah.